Hi everybody, it's Marc-André, and today I'm going to show you the new features in Storyboard Pro 7, more specifically the improvements we've done to the audio editing in the software to make your life easier. The first thing we've done is we've added a splitter in the timeline, so you can now move your audio tracks and your video tracks independently. So that if you need to reach the bottom track here, audio track, when you scroll down, you don't lose the visuals on your panel track. So you can use the panel track as a reference when you need to modify a sound or sync a sound with a panel. This way, if I need to add a sound, I can just scroll to the panel I need to, right here, and I want to import a sound right there on that part here. The other thing we've done is we've made it a lot easier now to import sounds into Storyboard Pro, so you don't have to right-click, do import sound. You can actually drag and drop a file directly from a Finder, a File Explorer, window to your timeline. So right here, this is all I want. Drag and drop it right here in my timeline. And when I release, the sound drops exactly where I left my mouse. I'm going to adjust it a little bit like that. There we go. Now I can play this back. Let's see. All right, that's perfect. The next feature I want to show you is the audio gain. If you need to raise the volume or lower the volume on multiple clips at the same time, you can select all the clips inside the timeline, right-click, select audio gain, and here you can increase the gain. Let's say I want to have 2 dB more. I click OK. And now you'll see that these clips here, they have a little flag on them that tells you that you've modified the gain on them. If I play this part back again, you can hear that the gasp is a little bit louder now. The other thing we've done is if you want to change the sound on a track, on a specific sound, using the envelope volume, you'll see that I can adjust the sound, the volume, by just clicking on the line. I don't need to add keyframes on the volume anymore. And if I want to use keyframes, let's say I want to lower a portion here, that's really too loud. I can add keyframes. I press and hold Alt. And then I want to lower this portion, so I just select in between the keyframe, and I will be able to lower the sound in between those keyframes without having to go to individual keyframes and try to match them together. And the other thing we've done here is we've added a flag on the other track. We also have this flag on the video track that toggles the sync mode on and off. So let's say I leave the sync mode on for everything, and I just try to change the duration of a panel right here. So when I change the duration, you'll see that all the sounds that start after the panel were pushed forward in time. If I don't want, let's say, the crowd track to follow the edit, I can just disable the sync there. And when I change the duration, you'll see that track didn't move at all. It stayed there. I just undid, so you could see how it was before. So I hope you like the new features we've added in this version, and thank you for listening.